Hi, welcome to Entrusted Medical. So today we are going to see the unpacking, installation and a technical summary about the new POC model which has been launched. So today we are going to basically see it's an FAA approved concentrator. FAA stands for Flight Aviation Authority approved. So you can use this model inside the aircraft, and it's a portable lightweight model. It weighs less than 1.98 kg. And it runs on pulse mode, which I'll explain to you in the what exactly pulse mode means. I'll explain to you in the later part of the video. And it's a battery operated concentrator, very ideal for travel purpose. So the model what you're going to see today in Entrusted is the Longfian J1000P. Many of our customers have been asking this model, so we are just going to see the unpacking. So once we open the box, you are going to get the user manual along with the quality certificate, and I'll explain you what this key does. This is mainly to unlock the chamber, which you're not going to use it anytime in the near future. It's only for the servicing part. So there is a nasal props which has been given along with the kit. So this is the main unit, and this is this is a battery. So we actually opted for the double battery. So the one more battery will be there in the bottom of this package. So this is the entire unit, and see, it clearly mentions, please place the oxygen concentrator in the bag and seal it for storage if it is not used for a long time. So it's like a vacuum seal. You're not going to use the device for a long time, you can just seal it in this package. So now we are going to open this one. See how lightweight this is. This is the total device. So it is both FAA approved as well as FDA approved. Very easy to carry around. Also there is a travel bag where you can just put it on the shoulder and take it anywhere you go. So this is the main unit, which I'm going to place it here. So let us see the other contents. So this is one battery. I will show you how to attach and how to check the battery indicator. So once you press this button, it's going to indicate the present available charge. So this is having a full charge of close to 100%. So I'm keeping the battery here. Okay, next. So once you open this compartment, so here you can see the power adapter, the cable and the adapter. And for customers who are opting for dual battery, there is an additional battery. Let us check the charge in this as well. So this also has a 100% charge. It's always better to go for a dual battery setup for long flight travels. And there is one multi-port adapter, a universal travel adapter. So if you are flying to the States or UK or whichever place you go, you can directly plug into the wall charger and continue charging the machine, or you can take the oxygen. And this is a travel bag which they have provided along with the kit. It's very strong and looks very premium. So basically you need to just open the velcro and you can place the concentrator here. Okay, so they've also given like straps where you can put it like a sling bag and you can take it around. And there's also a storage place for the battery, additional battery as well. So it's very convenient for elderly people, mainly when they are walking around the lawn. So it's very easy to be carried around. So we'll attach this later in the later part of the video. So just show them all the available parts here. So these are the entire things which are going to get for this kit. Okay, so now I'm going to teach you how to attach the battery and how to take the oxygen from the unit. So there are two methods of using this concentrator. One, it runs on the battery and another it can run directly on the electrical supply. And see, this is the bottom of the device where the filters are going to be placed inside. Mostly in a portable concentrator, you need not remove the filters for a very long time. Like say for example a year or two. Only when you are going in a very dusty environment, then you need to remove this chamber and you have to replace the filter. The details will be mentioned in the user manual as well. And this part you are not at all going to open it. This is where the chamber will be, like the molecular sieve will be there. And see how I am going to slide the battery. So this is the contact point. It's very simple. I'm just going to slide it. You'll hear a click sound and just place it. Okay. So when you see, it's a very simple device. There's an on off button here and a up button and a down arrow. And this is the part where you are going to attach the cannula and finally attach it to the patient. So these are things. And when you take a portable machine compared to a regular electrical oxygen concentrator, there won't be any water or the humidifier tank required for this one. These devices mainly run on pulse mode technology. So let me show how to switch on the device. Okay, so just press a long press this like for 5 seconds. You will get a welcome screen there. Yeah, and the machine is about to switch on. Okay, so allow it around close to 2 minutes for the device to stabilize. Yeah, now you can hear that sound of oxygen coming out through the nozzle. And see the display parameters. It's basically telling you the total run time, 10 hours. 10 hours is mainly for the testing purpose. And here it's going to indicate the present run time, hours and minutes. Here it's telling the battery. Right now this battery has a capacity of close to 79%. And here it's indicating in what pulse mode you are keeping. So here we can adjust this from 1 to 5. So now right now it's at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the maximum. And when I increase the settings, you can hear that compressor inside running at a more RPM, and you can see the pressure of oxygen coming through the nozzle to be increased. So right now oxygen is coming through this nozzle. Now we will attach an analyzer and show you the purity as well. Okay, so now we are going to attach an oxygen analyzer to check the purity of oxygen or the concentration of oxygen. So right now is at the room level 21%. Attach it. So right now he has attached it, and you can see the concentration in the device increasing. Since it has both FDA and FAA approval, the concentration is very solid in this device compared to a regular portable machine. You will see it will literally reach more than 90%. It's already crossed that. So you can see here it's almost 94.4 or 94.3. Okay, yeah. And now I'll come on to the flow rate and just make a note of this. It's around 1.4 or 1.3. So I'll explain to you what that means. You can remove that one. See, in a regular concentrator which you see like this, the electrical ones, here you can see the flow rates are clearly mentioned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in liters per minute. Here also it's a 5 liter machine, and these are like bigger machines which can run from 1 to 10 or Oxycare Prime models. But when it comes to a FAA approved or a portable oxygen concentrator with battery, this is not actually liters per minute. It is called like settings, flow settings 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are like flow settings. So the flow settings, when you keep at maximum 5, it actually translates to 1 to 1.5 liters of the bigger variant, which is actually in liters per minute. So those are called, the bigger machines are called the continuous models, and these are called the pulse flow models. In pulse mode, the main advantage is that battery will be conserved. So those people who are traveling, they'll be able to retain the battery instead of continuous flow. And also the pulse changes according to the breathing pattern of the patient, between 15 BPM to 60 BPM. Okay, so that's how a pulse mode concentrator works. Now let us see. Now it has been using the battery. Now I'm going to show you how it behaves when we are going to connect it to the power supply. You can see there will be a USB-C socket here. Yeah, You just need to plug it, that's all, and just connect that other mains to this one. And now see, you are getting an alarm where it has detected that nobody is using the device. So once you put a cannula, automatically this alarm symbol will go away. Otherwise it notes that nobody is using the oxygen. See, no breathing, it says no breathing. So he is connected to the external supply. Now is connecting to the brick. Okay, the moment he attaches it, you can see the power symbol here. So right now, instead of battery, it's going to run on the direct supply. So the machine can be connected to directly the external supply as well. And now when we switch off the device, it will say shutting down. You just need to press it like 3 seconds. It will automatically go to the shutdown stage. And once all the oxygen has come out, now you can see the battery is getting charged. So the correct way of charging the battery is, when you are not using the device, attach it to the supply and you can start charging the battery. It's a super fast charger. The batteries will get charged in just 2 hours time. Okay, so this is about how to use the device, how to increase and decrease the flow settings, how to switch on and switch off, the display parameters, the port where you are attaching the cannula, and the charging port of the device. And also we have explained to you how to install the battery. Now I will also teach you how to remove the battery. Before removing the battery, make sure to remove the external power supply. Make sure there is no display, no working. Just tilt it. You can see a switch here. Press that and you can just slide it away. That's all. So the battery is removed. In a long travel where you have like additional battery, again if you want to just put the fully charged battery, you can just slide it and you can switch on the device, and instantly it's going to show you what is the charge available. So this is like fully charged 100%. So instantly you can start using the other device without any breaks given to the patient. That is one of the major advantage in the pulse mode battery operated portable oxygen concentrators. Now coming on to the, as I told you, it will be like 2 hours charging time from 0 to 100 to charge a battery. And similarly, when you are going to discharge or when you are using the device, there will be like flow settings of 1 to 5, and battery changes or the consumption changes according to the flow settings when you are going to keep. And on lab testing, we found out that on a normal day condition, when you are going to use it in one flow setting, the battery comes for 3.5 hours. And similarly, when you are going to keep it in 3 flow settings, it lasts for 2 hours 15 minutes. And similarly, when you are going to keep it in the highest settings of 5, it's coming to a guaranteed time of 1.5 hours. So anywhere from 1.5 hours to 3.5 hours, depending upon the flow settings, you can consume the battery on one full single charge. And when you look at the manual, not only in this, many portable concentrators will actually show you like lot of higher values like 5.5 hours, 6 hours, but practically, in practical scenario, that won't be possible, because those tests will be conducted in a closed lab environment under very ideal conditions. So the values what I am telling you are real world values. So anywhere between 1.5 hours to 3.5 hours, you will be able to take the battery on a full single charge. And this is about the entire portable concentrator, and I'll also tell you like how to place it in the bag and how to carry it around. So see like how he's going to attach the bag and how he's going to place the concentrator in the travel bag. It's very simple, just you need to open the velcro, place it, make sure that the charging port comes through this opening. There will be filters at the back side, and oxygen is directly you can see here. Whenever you want to check the display alone, you can open, otherwise you can keep this closed. So you can go into attach the cannula and take it outside. Now coming on to the straps, you have 2 options. If you want to carry it like a small bag, you can attach this strap, or if you want to attach it on your shoulder, if you want to carry it around, you can attach that strap. Now he's going to attach the small strap and show to you. Both are attached in the same manner only. Just slide it like that and trust the clips. That's it. So now see, the entire concentrator is ready for traveling purpose. You can travel by flight, car, ship or any mode. All the certifications are available for this model. Similarly, if you want to put it like on a shoulder, you can use the bigger straps and attach it on the same manner. And they are given a good travel case for the extra battery as well, so you can take that as well. Yeah. So we have gone in detail about this portable concentrator. So any queries you have, you can call us at 7397 449991. Ready stocks are available to be dispatched throughout India. And you can check out our website at www.entrusted.in. It's a very simple to handle device, very ideal for elders, and mainly it makes the flight travel very convenient. Even if you have a long flight, you can easily take the additional battery and you can change them when the existing battery dries up. Thank you.